If you ask me what is my favorite breakfast, it is an avocado toast with a poached egg. Those poached egg with the yolk is oozy, gooey, runny, delicious. First thing first, ciabatta bread. Use whatever you like. I like ciabatta because I'm Italian. Nice, thick slice. Then, for my avocado, I like to add some red onions, okay? I already cleaned the avocados here. Red onions, salt, pepper, and lemon juice. And then I just smash it. Go around. Press it to the side of the bowl. Obviously, if you have one of those old school mortar pesto, you can use one of them. I like it more traditional. I just use a fork. That's it. Then, to garnish my avocado toast, I'm going to use some cherry tomatoes. These are half, but to make it easier to put on top, right? To make it smaller for my bite, I can do it in smaller size. Cut them all up. I'm using a shredded knife because it's much easier to go through the skin of the tomatoes. And voila, I don't need much. Obviously, we Italians with tomatoes, we cannot do without garlic, so I'm gonna cut the part up and smash it on the side, which will make it very easy for me to peel. Not too much garlic, otherwise I can kiss my wife tonight. Slice it and chop it. Make it as thin as possible. Yes, you can use a garlic masher, but I don't have it. And I like to do things more classic style. And voila. And some fresh basil. Are you cut basil? Have you ever heard of the famous basil chiffonade? Roll it up and then just let your knife do the job and slide it. Only one slide. And I like to garnish this just with a little bit of salt. The salt will actually help the tomatoes to lose all the delicious water. And of course, a touch of olive oil. Now leave this on the side. Let's toast the bread. Olive oil, one side and the other side. Make it nice and rich. Salt. This. Let's grill it. Let's get a little bit of olive oil in our cast iron. Let it cook for a few minutes until you get a nice crust. Alright, let's check. I think it's ready. Very nice. Looks good. Turn off the heat. Now, the final touch. I'll teach you how to poach an egg. Soft, boiling, touch of vinegar. Then you need to break the egg in a separate bowl. Make sure you do it gently so you don't break the yolk. Get a whisk and make your vortex. This vortex is going to make the egg white wrap up around the yolk. And then you're just gonna drop it in. Perfect! Now get a slotted spoon. This poached takes around 3 minutes. You don't want to overcook it, right? But see, I can feel it's still very, very soft. I think it needs another minute. Alright, time to plate. Avocado on my toasted ciabatta. Nice portion. My cherry tomatoes with garlic and basil. My egg. Voila. Little salt. And that's it. Oh, 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 oh. Delicious! I hope you enjoyed my cooking tips. Join me for my next masterclass on Amphy.com.